Good Midwest morning, everyone. This is Nicole. Your mobile blog is for TOCtown.com. And today I have a preview for you of my first workshop on Patreon, which is patreon.com/TOCtown. Well, it's officially fall season as of this week, which is week I think 39 or 40 by the time I publish this video. But I wanted to share all of the equipment that I will be using in order to plan my 2020-21 Planning in Pockets workshop. So just as you see here, I'm pulling out the microphone, which I'm attaching to my live and local cell phone, which I've said on numerous times that it's not a cell phone, but I do use it for basic audio visual in order to record my planners. So this is my Filofax Malden, which has a back pocket. I've already set it up for, just basic annotating what I need to get done, what I need to spend, what I need to save on. So if you want details as to how to set up your Artisan Admin Resource Center, then I'll have them all in the article as well as a 4-part podcast which you can download. Now, mind you, if you don't want to become a consistent supporter through Patreon, I will be offering a lot of the podcasts as well as the visual clips in my Hannah Victoria Etsy shop, and I can always upload it once you pay through PayPal and customize your order. Send me an email as far as which tip, tool, or technique you would like me to highlight, and I will also give you a price on how much I'm selling all of my just digital device dedicated forms that I fill out. The original forms are not mine. I will have links in the description box below as to where you can pick up all of the items in which I purchase. Some of them may be directly through a small business owner, which I believe in supporting here in TOCtown.com, but some of them may be through a big box like here in the Midwest we have Costco, or you can order online through Amazon, and a portion of your sales is donated to Risen Nation Church in Texas. Sorry. It was Resurrection Life Church, but I have two different types of link which I'm using for my live and local, and on the express for Resurrection Life Church. But more about that in the blog that I will be posting. Down below is the link for the Artisan Admin Resource Center. Okay, now to go into my TN and also the dedicated device I will be using. The original Nikon Coolpix that I had a scratch on the lens, and I was really wanting to go ahead and use a camera as opposed to a cell phone, so I could set it up and actually leave it in a recording studio so that I don't have to keep doing, a set up and take down. And I also will list all of the details in the podcast that I produce. Okay, let me give you a quick flip through in case you haven't seen it before of the Evergreen Content TN calendar that I'll be using. And of course, all of the library links will be down below. If they're from directly Field Notes, that is located in Chicago. It's a small shop. Paper Penguin Co. is a insert shop that I use a lot in Etsy. And also, I have my Moleskin Evernote, which I'll be doing more tips, tools, and techniques on how to take your written information and transfer it over into digital, but still be allowed to search it based on, what words you use as well as the description or the technique that you use in order to store your information. So I have a lot of just information available for you in 2021. I'll be glad to offer my personal opinion as well as my producer's perspective. If you need any tips, tools, or artisan admin techniques, you can always direct inbox me in toctown.com. Otherwise, you can always leave a message or a comment in the social media platform down below. Thanks so much for supporting and also subscribing to my stations. I'm Nicole, your mobile bloggers for toctown.com. Until we meet online or face to face, be blessed.